I'm surprised that's staying at one.
Like B. Okay. The question is calculate the number of moles and 15.3 grams of silver sulfide. Show your work for partial credit. Report your answer using the correct number of sig figs. All right. We've got 15.3 grams. Au2S3. We want to convert to moles. Easy enough. If I'm trying to convert between grams and moles, what conversion factor do I want to use?
Moles.
No?
Do we use Avogadro's constant?
Nope. These numbers that are given, periodic table, for instance, for gold, 196.97. What's the unit that goes with that? AMU. Okay, what's the new one we just learned last week? Molar mass. Grams per mole. You guys recall? 1 mole of carbon-12 is exactly 12 grams. That's what we came up with. Okay? So if we want to convert it to and from grams and moles, we have to use the molar mass. So I first have to go through and list the molar mass for 2 silvers and 3 sulfurs. Does that make sense? Let's do so. I'll blank the screen because I cannot see. All right, how many silvers, I'm sorry, golds do I have? 2. What's the mass of gold?
196.97 AMU.
So what's 2 times that? Predictably odd number. Remind you guys, I don't need to know how to use a calculator. It's useless if I work through this to know that I can use a calculator. 300 and what? 0.94. Okay, what about 3 sulfurs? What's my molar mass of sulfur?
32.06.
30 what?
32.06.
32.06. So multiply that by 3.
96.18.
Last step is to add them all together. 393.94 plus 96.18. 400. 490 what? 0.12. Okay. And again, this unit is in grams per mole.
Bless you.
All right. We all understand how we got this number? Okay. What do we do with it? Well, I've got grams here. Grams of silver sulfide. And I want to convert that to moles of silver sulfide. Au2S3. To do so, I'm just going to set up my conversion factor. What do I have as my unit currently? Grams of what? Silver sulfide. So that has to go on the bottom in order for that to cancel out. Okay, well here's my number. What's on the other side of the division bar? Moles. Okay, the number always goes with the unit on top. Does that make sense? So wherever I put grams is where my 490.12 is going to go. And that's per 1 mole of silver to sulfur. There we go. My units will cancel such that I will be left with moles of silver sulfide. Is that the unit that I want for this question?
Yes.
Calculate the number of moles. So yes. So what is 15.3 divided by 490.12? 0.0 what?
3.
0.03? confirm this number? Okay. Is this the right number of sig figs? How many sig figs do I have?
3 plus 2.
1. How many do I need? 3. What are some more of the digits?
1, 2.
3 what?
3, 1, 2.
Boom. Make sense? We're going to use the molar mass to convert between grams and moles. So we want to use Avogadro's number that helps us convert between moles and numbers of particles, whether those are ions, atoms, molecules, whatever it is. And somebody over here have a question? Yes.
Is it all zeros after decimal that you're not?
Any trailing zeros, as in zeros at the end of the number, when there's a decimal are zero. Any leading zeros are never zero. So no, the zeros are not zero. Okay, all good? Doesn't take long to do as long as you know what you're doing. Getting the molar mass is kind of annoying, but that's minor, right? Okay, any other questions? Just want to do another one?
Yes.
Another one of the mole ones? This is all really similar to what we, so using the same numbers, so I'm just gonna come up with one. Okay. The question is, how many moles of carbon do we have in 120 grams of C6H12O6? Some generic sugar. Okay? Great. What number is given to me?
120.
120 grams. That's cool. Grams of what?
Sugar.
Sugar. C6H12O6. Great. I have grams. Well, I know I can go from grams to moles. That's all I can really do with grams currently. Right? Let's do that. First, I need to get the molar mass of the C6H12O6. So carbons, hydrogens, oxygens. How many carbons do I have?
6.
Hydrogens, oxygens.
6.
Okay. What's the molar mass of carbon? You don't have to know that one off the top of your head. Look at it. Maybe on a table.
12.0.
12 point what?
0, 11.
Okay. Hydrogen?
1.0.
1.0.
0, 8.
2 zeros?
Yes.
Hey, oxygen?
15.99.
Okay. Multiply them out, add them together. I'll give you guys a second. Please use this time to use the calculator you're going to use on the exam. Figure out if you can do simple math. This is the best time to do it.
Oh, passion.
So these don't have to stand here for so long.
Yep, multiply that. So 180.3.
What's that? Yeah, act like she didn't make a face, right? Yes, you.
94.
Apparently.
I know 180. We'll find out one sec.
Yeah,
I gotta
wake up.
recalculate it. 6 multiplied by 12, 12 is
And this whole
Oh.
secret hole.
multiplied by
Still.
All right, what'd you get?
194.
180.156.
You'll be wrong.
Is that what you said?
Oh, I forgot.
No, I
Okay.
didn't do that.
Can anyone corroborate?
1, 2,
2 people.
You just
3
multiply.
people. All right, we're gonna call it good. That's my molar mass. Simply went to the table for each of my different elements, multiplied the molar mass on the table by the number of elements in my formula, added them all together to get this number. Great, 180. That's fun. What do I do with this number? Well, what are the units for this number? Grams per mole. So it helps me convert between grams and moles. Make sense? Do I have specifically grams or moles of C6H12O6? Do I have any grams or moles of C6H12O6 in the room with me now?
Yes.
How many? 120 grams. C6H12O6. Okay, we're going to convert grams to moles. That's all we can really do currently. Okay? Where do my grams go? Above or below? Below, because they have to cancel. Grams of what? Sugar. C6H12O6. Okay, if I have grams on the bottom, what goes on top? Moles. Moles. C6H12O6. What are the numbers that go there?
One goes on top.
For 1 mole, we have how many grams? C6H12O6. 100 what? 180.156. Okay. If I do so, my grams of sugar will cancel out. I'll be left with moles of sugar. Is that what I want? No. My question is asking for
Moles of
moles
carbon.
of carbon. So for every mole of my molecule that I have, C6H12O6, how many moles of carbon do I have? 6. Because I got 6 of them per formula unit. 6 moles of carbon. If that's the case, my moles of sugar will cancel out. What am I left with? Moles of carbon. Just you. Is that what my question's asking for?
Yes.
Okay. Then just do the math. So 120 divided by 180 times 6. 2/3 times 6. 4. You go, which is 4? 4.00. What am I missing? Moles of what? There you go. Okay. Does that make sense? It's really straightforward, right? Very annoying to have to do. I will warn you, chapters 7.3 and 4, probably 5 and 6, are going to have us continuing to do this. If you don't know how to do it now, learn, ask. We're going to keep on going. More complex subjects. That's going to build off this. Any questions? Okay, how did I get 6 here? Because I got a subscript of 6 for every mole of carbon, or mole of sugar. Okay. Anyone want to work any other questions from the practice exam? I actually had it pulled up, so it's not. Good.